What happens when one of Tesla's most futuristic vehicles meets its toughest enemy, freezing weather? The Cybertruck may look ready for almost anything, but extreme cold can create some serious challenges for EV owners. Tesla has made improvements to help the Cybertruck handle winter conditions, but some problems may still catch drivers off guard. Before we break it all down, don't forget to follow for more EV news, updates, and the latest Tesla stories. We've got plenty more coming, and you won't want to miss it. Now, let's see what Tesla changed for winter and why the Cybertruck may still struggle when temperatures drop. The Cybertruck's winter issues go beyond traction. While its all-wheel drive system can provide strong grip on snow, visibility becomes a separate concern when ice builds up around headlights or the oversized wiper struggles to clear the windshield. That becomes especially important at night or during heavy snowfall. Even if the truck remains stable on slippery roads, reduced lighting or an uncleared windshield can make it harder for drivers to see what's ahead. The headlights themselves sit relatively low in the front fascia, creating an area where snow and ice can collect. Some owners have reported reduced illumination after winter buildup, raising questions about how well the design handles prolonged snowfall. Tesla's unusual single wiper setup can face similar challenges. Because one large blade handles the Cybertruck's wide windshield, uneven contact or ice buildup can leave parts of the glass uncleared, affecting visibility when conditions are at their worst. That visibility problem can become even more noticeable when winter weather gets heavier. Ice, slush, and freezing rain can reduce the Cybertruck's wiper effectiveness, with some drivers reporting uneven clearing and poor washer fluid coverage. There have also been reports of the blade struggling to return to its normal position at highway speeds. The concern goes beyond simply keeping the windshield clean. Snow, grime, or streaks can partially block the camera areas used by Tesla's driver assistance systems, making clear visibility even more important during storms. Tesla has already made several changes to address wiper problems. In June of 2024, the company recalled certain Cybertruck wiper motors for reliability issues, while later software updates adjusted wiper and washer fluid behavior. Tesla also introduced a revised V2 wiper blade designed to improve performance. However, some owners continued reporting erratic movement and durability issues, suggesting that the updated system hasn't completely solved the Cybertruck's winter wiper challenges. You might be wondering, so is the Cybertruck actually ready for winter? Or does the cold expose some serious weaknesses? They're fair questions. Tesla has made changes to improve the truck's wiper system, but winter driving brings more than just slippery roads. Snow and ice can affect visibility, headlights, wipers, and even the cameras behind Tesla's driver assistance features. So would you trust the Cybertruck to handle a harsh winter, or would you rather stick with a more traditional pickup? Let us know what you think in the comments. Now, let's take a closer look at the other cold weather problems Cybertruck owners could face. All that said, Tesla has also taken steps to make the Cybertruck better suited to rough conditions. Its terrestrial armor package adds enhanced rock sliders and an underbody battery shield, giving the truck extra protection from rocks and debris during off-road driving. And despite the winter concerns, some Cybertruck owners praise its performance on snow and ice. Its instant torque, low center of gravity, and traction systems can provide strong stability on slippery roads. So the biggest concerns remain visibility and exterior components rather than basic winter traction. Interestingly, Tesla's later production intent Cybercab design uses a conventional dual wiper setup instead of the Cybertruck's oversized single wiper. There's no confirmed evidence that Cybertruck complaints directly caused that change, but the contrast is certainly noticeable. So while the Cybertruck can handle snow and slippery roads surprisingly well, its winter weaknesses show that futuristic design can sometimes come with unexpected trade-offs. Would you trust the Cybertruck for a harsh winter, or would you still choose a more traditional pickup? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more Tesla and EV updates. We've got plenty more coming. We'll see you in the next one.